today we're taking a look at the consonant vowel consonant set. This set comes with all of these objects and also wooden cards that have each vowel sound on them. This way, children can sort the different objects and what vowel sounds they have. Now, if I had a student who is in the classroom and they're just learning about CVC words, I would probably just go ahead and isolate one group. This is a lot of objects and a lot of letters. So let's dive in and take a look. Each letter has 4 objects that go with it. So what sound does ah make? Like in apple. What if the vowel is in the middle of the word, like in the word at, or at, or pan, or fan, and then just put it away. Maybe your student is ready to sort into 2 different vowel sounds. So let's pick up et, net, at, bat, web, et, jet. Maybe your child is ready to sort all of the vowel sounds. This is the full kit put together. So you have each vowel letter, and then you have each object underneath. Mug, bus, sun, bug. Box, dog, pot, pop, and so on and so forth. So this is the CVC object kit.